guys, welcome back to Rania's Fantasy. Today we're going to make a yummy 1-minute cookie. Yummy, delicious 1-minute cookie. So I'll start making a cookie. So now we are putting 4 tablespoons of flour. We are putting 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, pinch of salt. If you are using salted butter, do not put salt. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon coconut. And I'm going to mix this now. And this bit looks like a castle. Looks like a ruined castle. This is actually fun for me because I love making my favorite things all by myself. It's so cool and fun. So I have mixed this. So it's 1.5 tablespoon, and this is melted butter. So okay, just that up. So now I'll mix it. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk, and this is really heavy and wobbly. Okay. Now I will mix it. So yeah, I'll put this there. Oh, I saw the chocolate brownie. Yeah. So this is what the cookie batter looks like. It's gooey. It's so hard. I can't even mix this. This is hard. Look, it's just like chocolate cookie slime. It looks like chocolate cookie slime. So now I'll add my favorite chocolate chippy cookies. It's actually chips, not cookies. So this one, it looks this is fun! Here you go, madam. Here you go. You can eat my chocolate chippy balls. Yeah, here you go, ma'am. Here you go, ma'am. So, this is butter paper. And so we made balls, but it's cracking a bit. So we're just going to pour it in. It's supposed to look like this because cookies sometimes get cracked. So yeah, I'll take it out with this spoon. Yes, this one chippy cookie. So I will put this in the microwave for 50 seconds. So we'll be right back. Bye. So this is our cookie. Our yummy cookie. I'm going to taste it. It's gooey and chewy. Now it's time to eat the piece, not the crumb. Yummy! It's not that hard, neither soft. Not soft. It's chewy and gooey too. Why are you not subscribing, guys? You should subscribe right now. I'm working so hard for you, you know. So please subscribe to my channel right now to get 180 million subscribers. Bye. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon button, bye, and share my Instagram pages right here. And share my video, smash that like button. Bye.